don't know what the hell happened. Look like they got in a fender bender, huh?
Retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the times bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Now we back at it again with another lit video, you guys. So y'all see I'm in the Chevy Cruze, man. All I gotta do is spray it off, take some pictures, do a little quick walk around, let y'all know that it is for sale. If y'all guys are interested, hit me up on IG, Instagram. If y'all interested and want to know pricing and all that, DM me, follow me on IG, man. I just got my GoPro 9, so it's kind of weird looking at myself back in the camera, man. It's awkward for me a little bit, you know what I mean? But anyways, this car drives excellent, man. This was the same car that had an oil leak. They fixed it. I think it was one of the oil sending units or something like that. I don't know. It was one of them damn sensors. He fixed it. As long as it wasn't leaking and I paid him a certain price to fix it, I was good by it. I paid him to fix the leak. I don't give a fuck what he changed or whatever. So shit, as long as it's not leaking, I can sell it and make some money. So hopefully one of y'all guys will like to buy it. So we're gonna get over here, spray it off real quick. I'm gonna do a little walk around for y'all. I might continue this video tomorrow, I might not. It all depends, man. I might not, man, because I be giving y'all a little bit too much content sometimes. Like, sometimes I be giving y'all too much in one. You know, I could be like, God damn, I could break some of this shit up. But sometimes I like to just make it. I like the long videos, man. Especially if I have a long ass fucking day and I'm doing hella shit. Oh, I got some upgrades and some mods coming for the Impala, man. Oh my God, I can't wait for my new upgrades for the Chevy Impala, man. I cannot wait, you guys. I really cannot fucking wait. Get up here. Damn, it looked like someone didn't crashed or what the hell happened here? What the hell happened here, you guys? Yeah, I don't know. So we're going to get up in here. Up in here. This thing. That damn camera's there, man. It just blacked out on me and some shit. And then I don't know. There you go. God damn, wake your ass up. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, I don't think it's smoking. I'm not power washing this engine. I think that's what he did before. Damn. I think that's what he did before, and it was yeah, I'm gonna have to let all that shit burn off, but shit, it sounds good, it's running good. I ain't gonna fuck with it. All I'm gonna do is pick some of this off. You know, it's not super dirty. It's a little dusty, you know, a little dusty. It ain't super dirty. But anyways, I'm racing against daylight, so let's hurry up and wash this motherfucking car. Pop this open. Y'all know I gotta get all up in here. 1/4. Damn, let's get it.
Hey, Lucky's Wheels and Deals, hit up the COPART. Money in my pocket, let me see what I'ma cop. I'ma swerve in the lot, get a whip, fix it up. I'm a beast with a flip, yeah, the money don't stop. Sub and like and leave a comment for real. The video's coming, you just wait for the drop. Tell your friends they're gonna share this hill. You can catch me snooping around in the lot. Hey, Lucky's Wheels and Deals.
So I got her all cleaned off. Shit, man. Oh, it's money calling, man. God damn, can't even get shit done without people blowing my goddamn phone. I said the grind is real, but let's be nosy and let's look at this car. I don't know what the hell happened. Look like they got in a fender bender, huh? I ain't gonna touch that car. This is at a crime scene. This car got fucked up. What the hell? He was leaning, chilling. That shit all fucked up. Well, anyways, guys, let me hop up in this car and stop wasting time. So how lucky am I, y'all? I don't even have to vacuum this car out, clean it out, or nothing like that. I don't do none of that. Clean it out, none of that shit. So, hey, I'm in good shape right about now. I'm in good shape. Everything works. I mean, I got the check engine light on. The tire pressure is low, but shit, motherfucker drive like a champ. They got they don't have the upgraded stereo. Let's hear the stereo.
Have you seen her?
Turn that shit off. I do not own the copyrights to that music. Don't want to. Nah, I actually want that damn money that he getting off that song. But anyways, guys, man, I'll see y'all at the spot, man. So we finally made it to our destination, you guys. It's getting dark, y'all can see, but still, I'm still gonna keep this motherfucking lit. I'm gonna show y'all the real. If I couldn't record it, then that's what y'all was gonna get. If I was gonna record it and made it dark, no, I'm not gonna record tomorrow, redo all this shit tomorrow. No, I'm not gonna do it. I do wish y'all guys could see it in the sunlight, but it looks fucking good right now. Especially how the light, with no, like with the sun going down, there's no sun out. Where's the sun? I don't see it. But let's get right to it, y'all. Open it up. It looks all clean inside. You know, to those that want to buy it, that's interested. Some people just thinking about buying a Chevy Cruze, man. These are real good cars. They don't really have a lot of power, but hey, they save a lot of gas. They're stylish. They're comfortable. I kind of think with these seats, I think I prefer the cloth, the two-tone cloth. Where's the damn key at? Yeah, let me start it up for y'all though. Come with this little key right here, same as the Camaro. Starts up like a champ. How you pop the, oh, see what this trunk look like. I didn't even pop the trunk. All cleaned up, man. I got a pretty good clean car. And of course they better clean it up if it was leaking oil. If they want to sell it, they didn't want to draw no attention. It's real clean. You know what I mean? Man, I really like my damn GoPro 9. Like, man, this shit show the video so much better. So much better. Man. So let me roll these windows down. See what it looked like with the windows down. It's not a bad looking car. I get top dollar for this bad boy. I mean, other than the paint peeling. But shit. Go take it to Mako, get a $299 special. No, guys, I'm not gonna do it because I can sell this car just like this. Oh, by the way, that HHR with the turbo and the supercharger, what I'm gonna end up doing is fixing the turbo or fixing the intercooler or whatever I need to do before I can sell it, because I already tried to sell it, and yeah, I tried to sell it to 3 different people. They wasn't going for it. They said, oh yeah, this car is slow as hell. So it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pay them extra money, get it fixed, and just jack up the price. If I gotta hold it till tax season, then I'm gonna just have to do it. But if not, I'll figure a way to sell it like I always do. But back to the Chevy Cruze, man. And if y'all not a member already, man, hit the join button and join my membership, man. God damn, my damn throat hurt. Damn. Need some goddamn water around this motherfucker. Or one of them goddamn shit for your damn throat that you suck on, halls and shit like that. But join the membership. It's only 99 cents a month. And you'll be able to, man, I'm gonna start doing more than just the car. Instead of waiting till the car giveaway, we'll start giving away some shit for the members only. You know what I mean? They going out their way, supporting the movement, man. They even going to the top level. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna do my live, probably do a giveaway. I'm gonna do a random giveaway when I feel like just giving away shit and it's about to be Christmas. Yeah, I'm about to go on live for my members only and just start giving away shit. Give away some shirts, some stickers or whatever, man, just for my supporters that's going out their way to becoming a member. And at 100,000, I'm giving away a car. I'm still looking for a Monte Carlo SS, but all I know, I'm giving away a car when I hit 100,000. It is what it is. You know what I mean? Oh, by the way, I need to ask you guys, do y'all guys think, what do y'all think my next car I should get what kind of car do y'all want to see me kind of build, fix on a little bit? Like, what would be good? You know what I mean? I'm thinking, I don't know, man. I'm looking for this damn Chevelle, but y'all know I don't got no money like that, so I'm gonna have to find, should I get like an 87 Monte Carlo SS, a 2002 Camaro F body, 2007 Monte Carlo SS. That's, you know, that's one of my favorites, but shit, I didn't have so many of them. What else I can get? I don't know. Y'all comment below if y'all know any other cars y'all think I should get, that I should kind of build. You know, I ain't no mechanic or nothing like that, but I could fix up and throw my little lucky touch on it though. You know what I mean? I'm showing y'all the inside of the car. But yeah, y'all just comment below and let me know. And if y'all interested, oh, for some reason, there's a lot of people joining the Facebook group, but it ain't, I don't know, I gotta figure that shit out. It's fucking private. I don't want it to be private. I want everyone to fucking join. But keep joining. Lucky Luciano on Facebook is me. Lucky Wheels and Deals. Follow, join the group, Lucky Wheels and Deals page, and then also follow me on Lucky Wheels and Deals. I got a follow me or like page. I got a like page, a personal page, and a group page. You know, y'all post anything y'all want to post, as long as it's about cars, man. Don't come with no weird shit, but as long as it's about cars. But anyways, guys, shout out to the whole fucking Lucky Nation. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yay!
I gotta concentrate so I could bubble hoodie with some leggings, some Jordans and perfume. Alleviate the stress, she come over to get me through it.